Hey, Snow Economics students, I'm so excited to meet all you guys. This is going to be a good trimester. I'm going for a walk right now. I'm trying to get in shape because I know I got to be ready to go right out of the gates on Monday. So, hey, I look forward to meeting you all and know that I got your back during this trimester. Whenever you need some extra support, some extra help, I'll be there for you. We'll see you soon. I'm going to give you a few pointers about what to look for each day during the trimester in economics. If you look at the top of this, it says Intro Economics, right? Chapters 1, 2, and 7. So you'll be reading those chapters. All throughout, I'll tell you, your pacing for reading. Some of the key things each day is every single day you're going to come to the calendar. It's located in the Schoology website under economics. It's the first thing there. So every single day, come here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Come every single day and check it out. Everything on here I'll have links, so you don't have to go into Schoology other than take your quizzes. So for today, you can watch the video that I've created right now. Then we're going to go over distance learning, look over the syllabus. You should do that. Quick 3-minute video on why study economics, and then it's the notes. You should download the notes into Notability and then watch them. I will have a pre-recorded lecture. It's called the Snow Economics audio. Okay, so while you're watching my video, you can take notes in Notability. So if you look here Tuesday, I have a Zoom link here. It is required. I mean, as much as required can be. You need to be at every single Zoom. So make sure you work around your schedule with work and family stuff. Come to the Zooms. I'm going to teach that day, and I'm going to give you pointers on what's coming up. So today is Tuesday. Let's pretend like today is Tuesday. You're supposed to read Chapter 1. Review the intro notes from the day before. I'm going to teach capitalism. You'll have me during the class that day, so I'll actually teach it. You won't have to watch the video. You can totally skip that. And then we're going to review everything from the prior day. So that gives you an idea what's going to happen on the first 2 days. Now, if you cruise down to Friday, there's the Chapter 1 quiz. The Chapter 1 quiz will be in Schoology. I'll have it open for a period of time. It's usually 2 days. Sometimes if it goes over a weekend, I keep it open till Sunday. This actual one is open from Friday through Sunday. So know that on Friday, I'm going to teach communism, and then watch a quick video, and then your quiz will open. Do the quizzes the day that they're on the calendar, even if they're open past. Don't fall behind. I'm going to give you 50% on quizzes you hand in late, so it is worth your time to actually do that work. I just want you to remember that I have your back, and whenever you have any problems, please contact me. If there's a reason why you're not getting your work in, or you need some extra support, shoot me a Schoology message, and I'll help you out. If there's ever a technology problem, I'll make it right. Don't stress out about it. If you're honest and you're working hard, I will help and support you to get you where you need to be. This is a required course, so make sure you get your stuff done for graduation. And I look forward to spending some time with you guys and learning economics. We'll see you soon.